Assignment 2 Set A Q.3 solution. In this we will create a %row type variable. Create another variable for getting product name. Create exception. If the inputted name equals product name in the table, then we will display details. Or else we will raise exception. Declare section.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain.
This is a row type variable.
Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.
This is the variable which will be used for getting product name. If the name will be not present in the table, then there will be an predefined exception which is no_data_found, so there is no need to make any exception. Execution section.
Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just tweak your body, your mind. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
This statement will add the values in prod_rec.
You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire.
Here we have first compared the values. Then if the values are same, then details will be displayed. If not, then exception will be raised. Exception handling. In this we will display message of no_data_found.
You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Don't wanna overthink some kind of butterfly.
Source code link in description.